So now that we worked on the backend and we're able to send requests to our REST API there, and with Node Express and MongoDB, we are able to store data in the database as well. It's now part to connect the front end we also worked on with the backend. So to connect React with our backend API. Therefore, in this module, we will work on this connection. You could say this therefore kind of is the heart of this course, at least if we have a look at the title of the course, because now we're going to bring MERN together. Now we are going to connect React to MongoDB Express and Node.js. Therefore, in this module, we'll have a look at how we send HTTP requests to the backend, to the API from inside our React app, and how we use the response data we get back. We'll have a look at how we can handle errors if something goes wrong, if we're sending invalid data or something like that, and also how we can handle a loading state and show a loading spinner to our users whilst we are waiting for an action to complete or for data to load. And of course, we'll also make sure that we appropriately update the user interface once data was loaded or once some action completed. So, plenty of work to do. Let's not waste any time and instead dive right in.